Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing this Samsung 840 series 250GB SSD. This is not the Pro series, so keep that in mind. And so yeah, that's what it looks like, the box. I already cut the seals because I can't really do it with one hand. So some of the features: Samsung SSD 840 series desktop and laptop installation kit included. SATA 6 gigabits per second, compatible with 3 gigabits per second. 3-core MDX controller. Some other stuff. 3-year warranty. This is the read and write at the 250 gig. So up to 540 read and 250 write, which is pretty good. It's not top end. I got it on sale for about $160. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Nice packaging, actually. Here's the SSD itself. It's all metal, besides, oh no, it's metal. Yeah, it's all metal. So, Samsung SSD 840. The only difference between this and the 840 is you can tell 840 Pro, it'll say. So, there's the 250 gigabyte Samsung 840 series SSD. There's a SATA interface. Put that down. Lift that off. Here's the bracket it comes with. So if you have I think that's like 9mm or something for laptops, you can put it on there and it makes it like regular thickness. But if you don't have that on, it's really thin. So here is the 3.5 to 2.5 aluminum thingy, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, it's just pretty decently thick aluminum for what it is. Here's some mounting screws. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mounting screws. So 9, 10 screws. No, you don't really need all of them, but a SATA 3 cable, I think. Let me make sure that's SATA 3, because I don't know, I'll check that after. And here's actually a pretty cool part of it, is that you get a USB to SATA interface, so you can actually use this for other things, and including your SSD that you just bought. So there's that. It's USB powered too. So let me. It's really hard to do with one hand, guys. I'm really sorry, but I don't want to put the camera down. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Your baggies. Okay. So there it is. Cheap yet effective. You don't have to put it in an enclosure, and you could migrate data and whatnot. Let's see if there's actually. Nope. Nothing else in the box. Oh wait. Oh, here. Ripping it. So here is Samsung, let's see, manual and software. So I think there's a data migration tool in there. So yeah, and installation guide, and some stickers. What does it say? I don't know. Samsung SSD activated. And warranty statement and summary. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for looking at the unboxing of the Samsung 840 series 250GB SSD. Stick around for more videos maybe about this, and like startup times, game loading times. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later. Please subscribe, like, do whatever. Peace.